France is the largest country in the European Union. The Eiffel Tower is one of the most visited monuments in the world. French is the official language of France. The country has a population of over 67 million people. France is known for its wine production and is one of the largest wine producers in the world. The Louvre in Paris is the world's largest art museum. French cuisine is renowned worldwide for its quality and variety. The country has a high-speed rail network called the TGV. The French Revolution in 1789 radically transformed France. France is home to the Cannes Film Festival, one of the world's most prestigious film events. Paris is often called the City of Light because it was one of the first cities to have gas street lighting. France has won the FIFA World Cup twice, in 1998 and 2018. The Mont Blanc is the highest mountain in Europe and is located in the French Alps. France has the oldest and most prestigious university in the world, the University of Paris. The French national motto is Liberty, Equality, Fraternity. Paris is the most visited city in the world. The Palace of Versailles is one of the most famous palaces in the world. The French flag is known as the tricolor and consists of blue, white, and red stripes. France has a diverse landscape, including mountains, beaches, and vineyards. The country has a rich cultural heritage, including art, literature, and philosophy. French fashion designers are some of the most influential in the world. France is a founding member of the European Union. The country has a long history of colonialism, particularly in Africa and Southeast Asia. French cheese is world famous for its variety and quality. The Arc de Triomphe in Paris is a famous monument dedicated to the French army. The French national anthem is called La Marseillaise. France has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country. French cinema has a long and prestigious history, with many famous directors and actors. The country has a strong tradition of intellectual and artistic innovation. France is known for its fashion houses and luxury brands. French cuisine is characterized by its use of fresh, seasonal ingredients. French art and literature have had a profound influence on Western culture. France is home to some of the most famous painters in history, such as Claude Monet and Edgar Degas. The French language is spoken in many countries around the world, including Canada, Belgium, and Switzerland. France has a long history of producing world-class wines, particularly in regions like Bordeaux and Burgundy. The country has a rich culinary tradition, with dishes like coq au vin and bouillabaisse. The French Riviera is a popular vacation destination for celebrities and the wealthy. France is known for its high-quality healthcare system and long life expectancy. The country has a strong tradition of philosophy and intellectual debate. French literature is renowned for its depth and richness. France is a leader in sustainable agriculture and renewable energy. The French education system is highly regarded and is known for producing top-level scholars. France is a major player in the global fashion industry. The French countryside is known for its picturesque landscapes and charming villages. French theater has a long and illustrious history, with famous playwrights like Molière and Racine. France is known for its high-speed trains, which connect major cities like Paris and Lyon. French architecture is diverse and reflects the country's long and complex history. France has a strong tradition of avant-garde and experimental art. The French Revolution had a profound impact on the country and the world. The country has a strong tradition of political philosophy and revolutionary thought. France is home to some of the most prestigious universities in the world. French music is diverse and includes genres like chanson, rap, and electronic music. The French fashion industry is known for its creativity and innovation. France has a long history of excellence in mathematics, science, and engineering. The country has a strong tradition of winemaking, with regions like Champagne and Bordeaux producing some of the world's most famous wines. The French Alps are a popular destination for skiing and winter sports. France is known for its vibrant music scene, with genres like jazz, rock, and electronic music thriving in cities like Paris and Lyon. The country has a rich culinary tradition, with dishes like escargot, coq au vin, and ratatouille. French literature is renowned for its depth, complexity, and sophistication. The French language is known for its elegance, precision, and clarity. France has a strong tradition of academic excellence, with many universities ranked among the best in the world. French cinema is known for its creativity, innovation, and diversity. The French countryside is known for its beauty, charm, and tranquility. France is a leader in the global fashion industry, with famous designers like Chanel, Dior, and Yves Saint Laurent. Paris is known for its world-class museums, galleries, and cultural institutions. French cuisine is celebrated for its quality, freshness, and variety. The country has a strong tradition of environmental conservation and sustainability. France has a long history of philosophical inquiry, political activism, and intellectual debate. The French resistance played a crucial role in defeating Nazi Germany during World War II. The French flag is a symbol of the country's values of liberty, equality, and fraternity. French art is renowned for its beauty, creativity, and innovation. France is known for its strong tradition of human rights and civil liberties. The French language is spoken by millions of people around the world and is an official language of many international organizations. French culture is characterized by its diversity, richness, and complexity.